How to sell tickets on Tickpick. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell tickets on Tickpick. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tickpick, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tickpick, it is an innovative online ticket marketplace in which the platform distinguishes itself from competitors like StubHub by adopting a no-fee approach, meaning buyers can pay only the listed ticket price without additional service charges, which have saved customers over $50 million since its inception. And Tickpick employs a patented best deal ranking systems that evaluates tickets based on proximity and viewing angle, allowing users to make informed purchasing decisions. And now to create an account on Tickpick, you'll also click the link in the description, or alternatively you could also click the sign up button in here on the top right corner, wherein you can sign up using your Facebook account, Apple ID, Google, or email address in here. And let's say in those options I'm going to choose to sign up using my Google account, so can I click on it, and after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And now to start selling the tickets, kindly click the sell tickets button on the top right corner in here, or you could also start entering here on the search bar if you want to start buying the tickets in here. For instance, we're going to click on the search bar this kind of event, artist, or venue in here, for example NFL, and by clicking the search button, it will show us a variety of results of location of this kind of events. So this is basically how the customer or the buyers will see or will try to find a specific tickets that you are selling. For example, in this Los Angeles Chargers tickets, from here it will show us that there are 13 events in here with different kind of dates listed in here. And for instance, I'm going to choose this list date in here. By simply clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on the page. And from here we can start selecting any kind of tickets in here that we want to purchase on this platform on this event. So this is basically what we're going to do if we're trying to sell tickets on this platform. And in order to do that, can I proceed by simply clicking in here the sell tickets on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page where you can start entering here or adding a tickets. But you could also navigate on the left side button, so on the option in here. But to proceed on the search bar, can I proceed by simply entering here the event, for example this Los Angeles Chargers versus Denver Broncos event. From here you could also enter under ticket info the number of tickets or the quantity of tickets that you have that you're willing to sell in here. You'd also enter here the section of that tickets or the location of this seating and also the row of it. And after that, just enter also below here the first seat number and also the last seat number in here. But if you don't know any kind of seat numbers, can you click or check these boxes right here that indicate that you don't know your seat numbers. Then proceed by clicking the continue button in here. And now from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the ticket price, and below it will show you the smart pricing suggestion that you could also use as your guide in naming your price in here for your ticket that you're selling. The cheapest selling ticket in here pricing amounting to $162. So we're going to name or to set the price to $200 US. Then you could also click this view event if you want to in order to see the event or any other details about it. But moving on below here, you could also click this automatic price or dynamic pricing to choose either balance or quick selling here, wherein you can automatically adjust your ticket price so you can sell your ticket faster. Now in here under delivery details, you could also choose an option in here on how the ticket will be delivered, and I'm choosing electronic transfer. And also below, just choose the additional details disclosure, which is I'm going to choose any quantity. Now under disclosures, you could also select how would you like to sell your tickets, so you can simply choose your different kind of options. I'm going to choose no disclosures. Now moving on below here under seller requirements, you could also enter the country of residence or what country is your permanent residency, and also your phone number or contact info, and of course one of the important part, which is this card or credit card on file, in which on this pop-up window just simply fill out this required information including your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, your card number, month of birth, expiration date, and even the security code in here. And after filling out all of this required information, just click the continue button below here to proceed. After that, you should see here that's your contact information on your credit card file has now been added in here. So you can now proceed by simply clicking create listing to proceed. However, make sure that you also fill out all of the required information in here in order to create a listing in this page. But at this point, there's an error upon listing or connecting my credit card. However, if there is no error on your part, you can now start creating a listing on this page and start selling your ticket. Likewise on this page that has been selling by different kind of users with this amount and also with all of this kind of details including the section, the seat number and many more. And now going back on this page right here, you'd also navigate here on the left side panel the listings option, in which by clicking on it, you should see here all of your listing that has been creating or active listing in here. Now under this season ticket, you could also navigate here all of your ticket, which it enhances financial stability for organization but also builds customer loyalty, provides selling flexibility and also offers valuable insights and reduces costs for sellers. So you can simply add here a season ticket if you want to. But moving on, you could also navigate the sales option, in which it is designed to empower users by providing them with tools and features that enhances their ability to sell tickets efficiently while maximizing their potential earnings. So you can basically see here all of your sales or your transaction. Moving on to these FAQs, you could also navigate here some of the frequently asked questions by clicking to edit question in here. It will show you the corresponding answer to it. And also, as you can see in here, under this selling features, they also offer automate, promote, and fund link. Wherein as you can see, using automate, you can sell anywhere with auto leads and use auto price for dynamic pricing, while by using promote, you can entice future buyers even further with credit boost or a lower fund link price. Or using fund link, a new fund-to-fund can check out experience, where you can earn back the commission as Tickpick credit. And the credit that you will earn as a commission, you will use it to start buying a ticket on this platform. And after buying a ticket, you could also start selling it in here. Like this one, if you go on to this event in here and choose your preferred ticket on this kind of this offer, you can simply click on it and start purchasing using your credits if you have received a commission from your fund link. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate here in this contact us option. By clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page where we can simply contact their Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and show us their support line, email support, and even their location. So basically, if you have other concern or question, you can simply contact them through their services in here or info. Moving on to this Tickpick home, by clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page, in which it serves as a central hub for users, providing a streamlined and personalized experience when navigating the ticket marketplace. So basically, in selling a ticket, you can simply enter here the kind of ticket that you are selling, and after that, just fill out all of the required information, including your basic info, and also add your credit card as a payment option in here. Enter here all of the details about your ticket that you are selling and many more. So basically, Tickpick plays a significant role in ticket selling landscape, offering numerous advantages that benefit both sellers and buyers. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell tickets on Tickpick. Thank you.